Yeah, hi. Good afternoon, Madhur. It is nice meeting you in the first place. I'm Dr. Priya Agrawal Kedia. I'm a recently married woman. Actually, I run a clinic, a dental clinic. Okay, so in my the testimony, you might have seen that reshape ka spelling is it's RESHAPE, but in R it is RI. So the RI depicts for robotics. So this is a new age dental clinic which has been opened, which concentrates on robotic intelligence, AI helped diagnosis, AI helped smile designing, and AI helped treatment plans. For example, if a patient comes to me for smile designing, which is one of my expertise since I'm an MDS, so we can share this to look. Okay, that is what is our expertise. This doesn't mean that like we have gone forward, we have gone ahead, we have gone into future of AI and all. This does not mean that we have forgotten our roots. So we also serve the very like we are a special geriatric clinic. Okay, so wheelchair accessibility. This might
I'm
even
sorry,
sound
your
very
voice is
normal thing,
cracking.
but actually this is a very big problem. A patient who is am I audible now?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So this might look a small thing that the clinic is wheelchair accessible, but no, in reality, this is a very big problem. What happened is people concentrate on giving to the larger population, but what about the dental issues which are being experienced by the patient who are debilitated at home first or who have motility issues? Right. So all the setup that we all everything that we have is in house. Plus, we can give all this setup that we have is portable also. So we can do their X-rays. We can go their home. We can do their X-rays. We can put dental implants in their mouth. We can even do their fillings and everything for an ICU patient or a very critical patient. We can do the treatment then and there. And the material that we use are also smart material. We use nano hybrid materials. We don't use the normal material. We have abolished the concept of silver amalgams and metal fillings. We only believe in tooth colored restorations and tooth colored fillings. So, this is about my dental clinic and my professional journey. Talking about my personal life, I am a graduate from government dental college, undergraduate. My post graduation is also from a government college, and I got married a year, 1.5 years ago, and within the span, within that, when I was adjusting to my new family, I gave birth to a small baby. So adjusting to a new, big, large, I have a family of 16 people at my home. So adjusting to a family of 16 people, a small baby, a new husband, with building a brand from scratch. So I am like checking all the squares every day.
Proud of you, ma'am. Great salute to you for handling
Thank,
all those.
thank you,
Ma'am, can you
thank you so much.
tell us some, like, how do you get the motivation of thinking about people who cannot come to the clinic? So, is there any story behind it?
Yeah, actually, the first story is that my own grandparents when they used to suffer when I was a young child and I saw my grandparents suffering from that dental pain. And the first thought used to be, "वो डॉक्टर के यहाँ जाना पड़ेगा यार, 2 सीढ़ी चढ़नी पड़ेगी, उनके क्लिनिक में बैठना पड़ेगा." So that thing has made me that trauma that was there, that episode that I had 15 years ago.
Ma'am, your
That
voice
thing
is
made
not
us
clear.
realize that no, all our hello,
Hello? Uh, no, ma'am, it's not
am I
clear.
audible now?
Ma'am, you're audible, but it's not clear.
Hello,
Hello?
I think
No.
hello.
Ma'am, it's not clear.
I try speaking some words so you understand. Am I audible or not?
Hello?
Am I audible now?
No, ma'am, it's very vague.
Yeah.
You are audible, but your voice is cracking. It was fine before.
Okay. Actually, the network at my place is full.
Yeah, it's fine now. It's
And
fine again.
Wi-Fi also, and
It's like before again. You can continue.
yeah. The question was, where did I get the motivation for this all? So yeah, I just told I had an episode like 15 years back at my place when my grandmother couldn't access to dental treatment because she had that thought, अब उठ के डेंटिस्ट के पास जाना पड़ेगा, वो चार सीढ़ी चढ़नी पड़ेगी, उनके चेयर पर बैठना पड़ेगा, and all that ep- that trauma, that episode I had in my mind, that was a childhood episode, so that converted into a idea now.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Can you hear me?